Today I'm going to be giving you the strategy that helped me find altcoins like ShopX, which did 100x, Dreams Quest, which did over 100x, and Nakamoto Games, which did 30x. And importantly, how to secure the bag and take profits and not get wrecked on the way out. It's been a beautiful bear market for us, and now we're sharing back with you because we're going to do this all over again. The first step, you need to know the different types of cryptocurrencies and how they work. I can talk about this all day, but all you need to know is the different types of categories you can find these on. CoinMarketCap, and no, this video is not sponsored by CoinMarketCap. You can find the links to CoinMarketCap and anything else in the description of this video. CoinMarketCap is the tool I use to keep up to date with crypto prices and find the crypto coins like AI coins which are trending right now and where you can buy them. For example, let's take Ethereum. To discover where you can purchase Ethereum, go to CoinMarketCap, search for Ethereum, and then go to market. In markets, you can see all the exchanges and all of the decentralized exchanges where you can buy the token. No longer are you ever going to be thinking, where do I buy this? You can just go to CoinMarketCap. You can even find the addresses on there too. Then all you do is you copy and paste it into a DEX and boom, you can buy anything. Faster than the banks, right? Next, you need to learn the importance of research and technology and adoption and understanding market trends of various cryptocurrencies. And there are tons of ways you can do this. To keep things simple, I prefer to focus on things like working on my businesses like the Side Hustle Club, Freelancer Fast Track, and Interstellar Ventures. I don't fancy looking at charts all day, and you shouldn't either. The best thing you can focus on right now is this checklist. I'm going to give you a checklist where you follow these 3 things. You're not going to have to be on the charts all day. In step 1, you need to download TradingView Premium. I know this video is not sponsored by TradingView Premium, but you can find the link for that down below as well. TradingView Premium is the best $10 investment that you can ever make because it's going to give you a powerful tool to keep track of the markets. You can set alerts for tokens, keep track of stocks, crypto, and forex markets so you never miss out on these juicy gains. I use this tool to keep track of the DXY chart. This helps me show the strength of the dollar, and look, whenever the dollar goes down, BTC goes up. So keep it simple and keep track of the DXY because this allows you to keep track of the macro trends of the market. There are plenty of tools and indicators you can use to beef up your trading strategy. So if you'd like me to start making more advanced videos on TradingView and TradingView strategies, just let me know in the description. Now step 2, you have the big dog, Bitcoin, otherwise known as BTC. If BTC goes up, so does the crypto market. If BTC goes down, so does the crypto market too. I like to use TradingView to keep track of Bitcoin, stocks, and forex, and I recommend you get TradingView Premium because it allows you to set all the alerts to keep track of Bitcoin. You don't want to be sat there all day like this on the chart following Bitcoin. It's not going to go anywhere. So there's no point sitting down all day. You need to spend your time not looking at the charts because the longer you look at the charts, you'll get emotional. And this is why most people follow influencers and they're asking them what to do because they're looking at the chart for so long and it's getting confusing. So when you log into your TradingView Premium, I want you to keep it simple. Set up a few alerts. Here's the alerts that I like to use. Firstly, we have the 19K level. While BTC is above this 19K level, we consider the market bullish. So I set up a notification in case the price returns to this level so I don't get distracted by any news or any drama, especially the drama that goes on Twitter all day. If it comes down to 19K, I'm going to continue to buy, and if we go below, then I won't be buying anything. Now, here are the other levels. Around 28K was the bottom for May, and there will be a potential resistance at this level. Do consider taking profits here. Then there's 48K and 68K primary resistance levels for BTC. Put simply, while we're above 19K, you can take a shot and make some risky plays at altcoins. And when we get close to these prices, I like to consider taking profits. Feel free not to be super specific with these levels, but just remember these are areas where you can expect volatility. And in terms of setting buy orders, what I recommend to do is just keep things simple. Ladder in your orders above and below your target entry. For example, if you want to buy at the 19K level, you'll set your orders around 20K all the way down to 18K, just in case the price goes a little bit higher or it dips lower to wipe out everybody's stop losses that's spending all their time on the charts trading all day. Now you see where we're going with this. You're not going to be chasing the market, you're going to be ahead of the market. And remember, like I said, don't get caught up in Twitter, don't start arguing with people in the DMs, just stay focused on the levels. All you need is a few key levels and to keep things simple, and trust me, you can play this game. Now, step 3, we have the juicy altcoins. I consider myself something of an altcoin connoisseur. I've made a living finding these 100x gems and these firecrackers which take off of such a small investment. Imagine you invest $1,000 and you make $100,000. These are the investments that we're looking for, and they don't come around all year round. there's a few times that you have to make these plays. So during a bull run, I like to follow launchpad tokens with a small amount of my overall portfolio. Launchpads are where you can find crypto projects to purchase. Launchpads like Paid Network, PokerStarter, LaunchBlock release new crypto projects every single week. Some of them are backed by huge investors and huge partners too. You can look into the team's experience, social media profiles, and the technology of the product before deciding on whether to invest in them or not. I've had some great investments where I've invested into these launchpads. You can find new projects, excellent tech, and tons of hype going through Twitter on these projects. Paid Network is a great example of a launchpad, and I recommend checking it out. It's had tons of 100x projects. Check out their site, follow their social media, and keep up to date with new tokens. Remember, any launchpad you find, as long as it's been around for a few cycles, I recommend staying on target with these, because these are going to be where the new projects are launching. This is where you make the money, right? So I like to invest in altcoins once I start seeing them 10x and 50x. I'm not trying to catch the knife here. I'll sit back and I'll relax and I'll wait to find the perfect entry. I'm going to wait to see Twitter. I'm going to wait to see Instagram. I'm going to wait to see Telegram when people start talking about these 10x and these 50x gains. Then I'm going to go all in, take massive risk, and find these 100x altcoins on Paid Network, on PokerStarter, on LaunchBlock. Again, disclaimer, I'm not paid by any of these guys. This is one of the ways I genuinely use to find altcoins, and it's one of the things that have helped me become successful in the past 2 cycles. Now finally, the last thing you're going to need is to understand diversification. Now the main reason why 99% of people fail is their portfolio just sucks. Let's be honest. What was your portfolio looking like last cycle if you was there? And right now, if you're joining crypto, what the hell does your portfolio look like? If it's just a bunch of influencer shill coins, then there's your problem. Let me know if this sounds like a situation you've been in. The market tops off and a few of your friends start getting crazy gains. You join the party because you want to make money too, and you go all into altcoins, pumping their bags, and then a 50% crash comes down, or worse, so you're left holding the bag of these altcoins that went from being worth a deposit on a small mortgage to not even enough to pay for your dinner. If that sounds like something you're familiar with, then your portfolio needs to be fixed. Lucky you're here because I'm about to fix it for you. The first thing you should do is lower your average entries and make sure that you diversify. You need to have a carefully calculated mix of larger market cap coins, which you can organize them on CoinMarketCap. Told you, CoinMarketCap is the GOAT. And smaller altcoins from launchpads, which you can also find the launchpads on CoinMarketCap. I like to have 70% of my portfolio in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. 20% goes on degen plays and 10% stays in cash. You can make your own decisions. And I stay like this until I hit a few 100x investments, and then I actually rebalance my portfolio. I'll take the altcoins I invested into and convert them back to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because that's the important part. You need to be accumulating altcoins like BTC, Ethereum, and Polkadot. And that way, it's not all that bad because you have 10% of your cash there to live from. And if there's a big crash, you can take advantage of that, invest your 10% liquid capital, and once the market recovers, it's free money. You've got even more BTC, Ethereum, and DOT too. So one of the best things I've been able to do over the past 5 years is develop businesses and use the cash flow from these businesses to invest into crypto. I'm not the typical investor that chases these gains. I sit back, relax, and use the businesses that I've made money with online and use that to invest the profits. And that's why I decided to build the Side Hustle Club. So click the link in the description and I guarantee you that I will make you money completely for free. All you need to do is check out the Side Hustle Club, follow a few routines, and I'll teach you how to make money online. No commitments, no paid courses, and it's a free community. The link is in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you found some value in it. I've followed this strategy to the T, and I will personally be following it again. You can see some of the videos in the past of my channel, and you can see the way we've managed to grow. I've got interviews online with some of the best people online, and if you check out the next video, I'll show you exactly how you can make money online using copywriting and the best copywriting strategy. Peace.